Let's break down some of the common aids to navigation you will see while navigating different waterways. These are the road signs of the waterways. Buoys. Buoys are navigation aids that float on top of the water and are moored to the bottom. They may be a cylindrical shape with a conical top, called nun buoys. Buoys may also have a flat top. These are called can buoys. Some even have lights on the top or make a sound. Beacons. Beacons are a permanently fixed structure. Some beacons may have lights. Beacons have different navigation info based on shape, color, light, or audible signal. Dayboards. Dayboards are information signs on the water. Understanding symbols. All buoys, beacons, dayboards, and other aids to navigation have a corresponding symbol that is used on nautical charts. For example, a nautical chart will show a diamond symbol for a lighted buoy, the color or colors of the aid, its number, color of the light, and the flash period so you can identify that buoy at night.